ProcessPro puts process governance into practice, the single platform where your organization maps, owns, and governs how work gets done. See how it works. All your processes are visual. You can see the full flow at a glance. Every step, every role, every connection. Each swim lane shows who is responsible. You can see every step, every role, and what comes next. Each step has an owner, notes, tasks, and attachments. Everything the person doing the work needs. And every change to the process is tracked in a full change log. Need to update a process? The fast editor lets you change things on the fly. Need to reassign a step? Change the owner directly in the editor, from whoever currently owns it to a different role. Changes are quick and visual. Roles are updated dynamically. The map reflects it immediately. No admin overhead, no version confusion. Ownership is always current. Or let SmartFlow do the heavy lifting. Upload a document or meeting notes, and it drafts the process for you. One platform for every process, every team, every department. Every process owned, tracked, and audit-ready. Want to see how this would work for your organization? Book a demo or start a free trial.